Have you got something else?
I have.
Jeez, you're a person who just keeps going.
Look at that.
What?
It's a Mini with big flares on it.
We had a Mini not too long ago, but it was green.
That's right. So this is a different version with massive flares. This is the sports version.
That to me is a very traditional. I'm not that I'm a purist, but that is my Mini. When I think of Mini, that's what I think of.
So this is one of the later Minis. So this is a 98 model.
This is a Rover. Fuel injected, 1.3 litre, disc braked Mini.
That's right. And that's why the flares are like body coloured, because I would expect those flares to be like black or something.
Black.
Got big driving lights on it.
That's
a HASEGAWA kit, 24 scale.
You're going to pop open the...
You want to have a look inside?
124. It's going to be little, isn't it?
124. It'll be tiny because, you know, Minis are small anyway, right? Let's have a look at it.
Oh, geez, it's very orange. I didn't expect that.
There it is. Mini.
You could just put a pearl over that and call it done.
So it's nice how they've molded the top separate.
Why?
It's easy to paint. Because quite often your roof will be a different contrasting color.
Why?
Like white.
The box art says...
But did they mold it in white?
The box art says orange.
Oh, it does. But that would have been the same mold they used for the earlier model.
Ah.
Where is the roof?
No, it's topless.
Must be orange. It's only orange.
There it is.
Oh, okay. Well, you'll need to prime that anyway.
That is
but
orange.
at least it'll make it separate. It'll be easier too.
Yeah, well, if you want to put the traditional, like I know a lot of traditionals like the Union Jack, don't
yes, they do.
On the top.
Got a little bit of photo etch in there as well.
Does too.
What are the circles for? Probably for lights or something, are they?
For the bezels on the instrument cluster.
Oh, okay, fair enough. That makes sense.
Actually,
you got the mirrors there as well.
I should only have one being a Mini, but I don't know these late ones. They only had it all in one dial.
Look at the lights and
that
stuff.
big massive thing in the middle.
Look how nice the chrome is. Here's a big speedometer.
Yeah, they had that in the middle, so they could just put the steering column on the left or the right.
There it is. There's 3 of them.
That's how they build modern cars most of the time.
There's 2 different steering wheels in there.
Is there? Can soup it up. It's got a lot of chrome.
Really nice, clean chrome.
Silky,
Modern chrome. Really nice.
Silky. Deep. Beautiful.
Okay, so I've got that.
Is that going to be ready for Model Expo?
I'm not building that.
No?
No.
Have you ever built one before?
A Mini? No.
That's all good. I thought you said
I'm working on my Fiat.
I thought you said you were a model builder.
I am. I'm building it at the moment.
White. Everybody's looking at white.
I got one more. Oh, really? Oh, there you go. There's a duck.